guys, and welcome. Let's just get started. To get started, I have a bowl of water and I'm using the Jason Mark cleaner for shoes. You can use whatever you have. I've used dish soap. Just be really careful not to use anything like bleach or something that would harm any material on here. And what I have here is a pair of Jordan Retro 14s that I picked up for my son at a secondhand store. They were for $10.99, but I had a coupon and got them ultimately for $7. And I'm just cleaning them up. They are a very old shoe, as you can tell, and so I am trying to be very delicate when cleaning them. And ultimately I think they come out really nice, and I think that they're going to look just adorable on my son. So just keep watching. If you have any comments or feedback, please do not hesitate to let me know. So at the beginning of the video I did not show, but I am also using a magic eraser, and what I'm doing is I'm just using this on the white parts, mainly the soles, anything that I want to brighten up a little bit. For this particular shoe, and if you have anything that has paint and it's an older shoe, try not to go over any areas that are not white. So this red part here, if I were to go really hard over the red, so I'm actually not trying to, it would pull the paint off. So just be really careful on older shoes when using a dry eraser. And I'm also doing it for the soles. There's some old price tag written on here, and I don't like it, but at the end it didn't even come off, so yeah, it was all that elbow grease for nothing, I guess. I'm actually taking the shoelaces and putting it into the water with the soap that I used at the beginning and letting them soak. And then here you can see that it's yellowing around the soles. I'm using a 30 volume developer. Use 40 developer if you have that. It's better, and then you're basically going to take a paintbrush and go over it. Be very careful, and you do not have to do this. This just does take some of the yellowing off of older shoes. Again, it is optional. I just like to do this, and the 30 developer doesn't actually work as well as the 40. Later on I do go back with the 40 over it because the 30 did not do a great job. Once you've applied the developer, you will just wrap that in plastic wrap and then follow the next instructions. Okay, Okay, so after my shoelaces have soaked, I'm just going through and wiping them down with a rag. Ultimately, if they don't come out as clean as I like, I do tend to replace them. In the end, I think they came out pretty clean. There were some spots that didn't come out as great as I like them, but I think that they look great, and I know they're going to be just adorable on my son. So again, if you have any feedback, please let me know in the comments. If you have any suggestions, please let me know, and also like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.